Here's another day with help not showing up, just sort of like weather, you just deal with it. Not that I'm doing something and I have to have help. It's just, I think yesterday it would have been better to have had help because if I got electrocuted, I don't, not very often. But if I'd got electrocuted, somebody would have been there. But that's only really advantage of yesterday having somebody today. What advantage would I have had? If I had somebody with me today, I would not have to walk as much, literally. But the struggle that everybody is in is as they go through life, what have they changed? So you're like, oh, I'm going to go to work so that I can get some money so I can go home and purchase things online or go shopping and buy things that I want to get to make my life a little bit better. Go see something and then they do that until they die. Now that sounds pretty simple, but it's not quite that simple. I mean, really what we should be doing is we should be trying to interact with people, and our experiences make us not very good at that maybe, or we've had experiences. So I think some of it is our investment was a bad investment, so we just retreat and we don't invest anymore. I understand it because that person hurt my feelings and I don't trust people no more. Don't invest as much, but that doesn't mean you can't be helpful. It doesn't mean you have to be unpleasant. You can be as pleasant as you want. You could be any size. I understand when you're overweight and you don't feel good, you're old and your bones hurt, everything hurts. I understand when you're at a disadvantage, you don't have whatever, your car's breaking down, but you're walking, you don't have legs. But I know all of these same people have a choice to be happy or sad. They can interact with people in a positive fashion or a fashion that makes other people better. They have a choice. So I suggest that as we go through life, we look at our interaction with other people because we're going out, what I'm doing today is going out and fixing things that need to be fixed. And yes, I could get a bad attitude. I think early on, one of the frustrating things is I thought, cool, I'm going to go install new things like a new faucet and I'm going to build a new desk. I'm going to put in a new cabinet. But that's not what happens. What happens is a person will call you because there's something wrong, and you go out there and early on, this is what I would do. Like, whoever did this really didn't know what they're doing. This is all cobbled up and da da da. I had to realize that I might be talking to the person who did it, or their husband, or somebody they're related to, some friend of theirs, and I'm not cussing that person out or nothing, but I'm just saying they didn't know what they're doing. So now when I try not to talk too much about the work that somebody else did. If I do, what I say is it was well intentioned. They were trying. That's better than not trying, although sometimes it could be worse than not trying. But I understand that person is trying to accomplish something. And I think I respect that. If I come from that perspective, I can respect it. And again, what I'm leading to is our interaction with other people my interaction with other people can then be more positive. I can affect people so that they have a better life. Even if for a few seconds, they go back to being grouchy. So the words that we say can be, not always, and sometimes you don't see it, but they can be healing. It's like a salve that you would put on a wound. You help them understand that maybe that person, although they were sold something, so they bought a house and they're unhappy. It's like, because this person didn't tell me all these problems and so what you go is like, well, if you own this and maybe you didn't know, or if you did, you thought, well, they know that these things need to be done. That's the reason this house is cheaper. You try to put a good spin on things so that it doesn't come out as everything is venom, everything is evil. and it makes everybody grouchy. It really does. I would suggest that we have responsibility to make each other's lives better.